How to fix Arby's app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Arby's app not working. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First thing is check for your internet connection. Make sure that you're connected to the internet and that the internet that you have is strong. If not, you can simply use your mobile data instead of your Wi-Fi as well. So just do that. And after you've done that, what you can do is you can try to use Arby's again. If it still does not work, what you can do is you can remove Arby's from your background. Remove Arby's from your background and then try to open it up again. If that doesn't do it, head over to your settings app, go to general, go to your iPhone storage, and then search for Arby's. So let's search for Arby's. So let me just head over here, tap on offload app and offload the app. After you've offloaded the app, you can then reinstall it back again and check if the problem has been fixed. Now the final solution is searching for Arby's International or Arby's, whichever that you're using, and basically just updating the app to the latest version. So if you see an update button right there, update the app and the bugs that are affecting your app, that should be fixed. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.